Ciao, I'm Chiara from filo e segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you another version of a hope bag with a different yarn. In this tutorial I will show you how to work this beautiful and easy bag for kids that looks like a cute strawberry. Beginner-friendly design using basic crochet stitches to create a particular bag. For this project I use Mantra from Mondial. You can find all the links and how much yarn you need in the description box and the 6mm hook. Okay, first chain 36. Now we do one single crochet into the second chain from hook in back loop, then we do one single crochet in the following 16 chains. And now we're going to do an increase, so we do 3 single crochets into the next stitch. I suggest placing a marker in the second single crochet of these 3. And now we do one single crochet into the next 17 chains. So now we have 37 single crochets. Okay, now chain 1 the entire the work, then we do one single crochet in back loop only to create a nice ribbon border, one single crochet into the next 18 stitches, or until we reach the marker. Okay, now remove the marker, then we do 3 single crochets into this stitch. I suggest placing a marker always in the second single crochets of these 3. And continue to do one single crochet in back loop only into the next 18 stitches. Okay, now we have 39 single crochets. So now chain 1 the entire the work. Then we do one single crochet into the next 19 stitches, always in back loop only. So now we remove the marker, then we do another increase, so we do 3 single crochets into this stitch. And remember to place a marker into the second of these 3. So now we do one single crochet into the next 19 stitches. So now we have 41 single crochets, and all we have to do now is to repeat this last row for 2 rows more, of course increasing each row as we did before. Okay, now we have 45 single crochets, and all we have to do now is to do 1 single crochet in back loop in each stitch along the row for a total of 13 rows. Okay, now we are going to decrease. We're going to decrease to complete the bag. I have placed the marker here in the middle of this row. So first chain 1, then turn the work, then we do 1 single crochet into the next 21 stitches or until we reach the stitch before the marker. Okay, now pay attention, we are going to decrease working these 3 single crochets together. Of course, remove the marker, then insert the hook into these 3 single crochets, yarn over and pull up all the loops. Of course, place a marker again, and now we do 1 single crochet into the following 21 stitches to complete this row. Now we have 43 single crochets, and now we are going to repeat this last row. So chain 1, then turn the work, then we do 1 single crochet until we reach the stitch before the marker. And now we do another decrease in these 3 stitches here as we did before. And continue to do 1 single crochet in each stitch across the row. Now we have 41 stitches, and all we have to do now is to repeat this last decreasing row for a total of 2 rows more, of course decreasing each row as we did before. Okay, now we fold our bag and we sew along each side using a tapestry needle and leftover yarn. So now we are going to create a nice finish on the upper part. So first grab your green yarn and insert it into the bag. And now we do one single crochet all the way around. Pay attention, we need to have a multiple of 6 at the end. So now I join with the slip stitch into the first single crochet, and now I have 42 single crochets all around, and 42 is a multiple of 6. So now we are ready to start with the first row of crocodile stitch. So first a chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1, then we skip the next 2 stitches, then we do 2 double crochets into the third one. Chain 1 once again, skip the next 2, then we do another 2 double crochets into the next, and continue to repeat this until the end of this round. Chain 1, then join with the slip stitch into the third chain to complete this round. So now we're going to create the scale to complete the crocodile stitch. So first we move between the 2 double crochets using a slip stitch. Chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet. I suggest to place a marker. And now we do 5 front post double crochet around this first double crochet. Turn the work, chain 1, turn the work, and now we do 5 front post double crochet in the second double crochet. And this is the first scale. So now we move directly between the next 2 double crochets here, where we do 1 single crochet, and now we do another scale into the next 2 double crochets. So first 5 front post double crochets into the first double crochets, chain 1, then we turn gently, then we do 5 front post double crochet into the second double crochet here. This is the second scale, so now we move into the next, between the next 2 double crochets where we do 1 single crochet, then continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this round. Now remove the marker, then join with the slip stitch into the first single crochet. So now we're going to create a nice finish with a single crochet all around. So all we have to do now is to work 6 single crochets over each scale. So 2 on this side, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the left side. So first we move into the right side, chain 1, then we do the first 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets in the center of the scale, then 2 single crochets on the left side. So continue to repeat this in each scale. Remove the marker and of course join with the slip stitch into the first single crochet. And now we're ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails inside the work using a tapestry needle. Okay, now we're going to create a little handle using a Romanian cord that is nice and strong. So first chain 2, then we do 1 single crochet into the first chain. Now look at this loop here, because we insert the hook here, then we do 1 single crochet. Look here, we got 2 lines. Insert the hook here, then we do another single crochet. We rotate again clockwise and work under the 2 bars where we do another single crochet and continue to repeat this until we reach the length about 45 centimeters or 18 inches, or until you reach the desired length. So now cut the yarn with the tails and sew the handle on the bag. So now I want to sew this butterfly decoration to complete my bag. So now let me show you the finished baby hope. This bag is perfect for kids to carry out their own stuff. I hope you will love this and make, so remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your baby hope. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!